first thing.
Put on my YouTube.
Okay, guys, here is the star, the Jamaican
Of the
star,
night.
the
Oh my
Jamaican
God,
girl.
I'm claiming
Hello.
Hello.
Danielle, listen, you did such a great job.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Yeah, how long have you been singing in Japan?
Oh, in Japan. So I started singing here in July. So 6 months? 5 months.
Girl, you're tearing up the stage.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
You're tearing up the stage.
No blush, no blush.
We were here like, lighter, lighter.
Honestly,
Yeah.
this was like one of the most fun nights, and I think it's thanks to you.
Oh,
Seriously,
oh my God.
So thank you guys for coming.
Yeah, you did a great job. We're very, very proud of you.
And sang all our favorite songs. Like, oh my god.
You did amazing, amazing. We're all
Oh
proud.
God, I'm gonna stop. No.
Jamaica, big up. Thank you. How long have you been in Japan?
I have been here for almost 5 years.
Wow, 5 years.
Yes, me I get up in a age.
How have you been enjoying your experience so far?
It's been good. I actually live in the Inaka, so I'm a country girl in Japan, and I love it. I feel like it's been keeping me like sane.
Sane. We need that. And I'm sure this sort of atmosphere and just performing must help you too.
Yeah, no, just balance it out. So we have the bush and then we have the glam. And I'm happy.
Okay. So do you perform here like every weekend?
No, so we perform maybe 2 or 3 times a month. I mean, it's only been 5 months so far, but that's what it has been.
We're so proud. We were here by with like light. No, this is gun finger. What is lighter? Lighter. So cheers for Danielle.
Yay.